Grand Rising family, this is Unity. This is an early video. So I literally just woke up, right? Probably went to bed 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning. And it's like, what, 7 in the morning? So yesterday I did a video about Queen Afua. And in the video I was telling y'all the dream that I had. To be honest with y'all, even though I know that Queen Afua is a holistic practitioner, I never knew that she was against vaccines. Remember when in the video I told y'all that I feel like whatever in Queen Afua teachings can help cure the corona. Queen Afua just posted this 18 hours ago. It says say no to vaccines. And I never knew that. But remember in the video I did yesterday, I said that Queen Afua, I felt I was the only one in that room that was like, no, I'm not gonna take a vaccine. And when I seen her, I gave her this big hug. Y'all see the video. I put the link. I put a note up here for the ones that didn't see it. And I just never knew that. I knew that she was against vaccines because there's a lot of holistic practitioners that's not against vaccines. And she also got a petition going on change.org. And I just found this literally out. Remind you, I had that dream about a week ago. I just shared it with y'all yesterday. So, wow. I just wanted to do this quick video to let y'all know, like, it literally was on point. I knew about it like a week ago. And the universe, the God in me and the God in the universe, the gods of the universe told me just to share that ending of the vision. It was, the vision was like went from step to step to step, and it ended up at the end, me walking out of a room and mainly refusing vaccines. And to be honest with y'all, I never was 100% against vaccines. I was, because I was like, if I go to Africa, I would like the malaria vaccine due to a lot of people get malaria. I wasn't like 100% against vaccines. Like now it's like, no, I'm not finna do it. You know what I'm saying? Even with the malaria, it gotta be another way. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with y'all. Also, Queen Afua is gonna be live on her Facebook at 4 p.m. And I also put her book in the link in the description box. Get her book, y'all. It's so reasonable now. When I bought her book, it was like $25. I think it's like $13, $12 the paperback on Amazon. And also go support her website. But she will be on Facebook at 4 p.m. today. So y'all go live and listen to what she got to say. I don't know what she going to say. Like I say, I just seen this in a vision. The only time I ever spoke to Queen Afua is a couple of years ago when I called about an order and she picked up the phone. That was it. So it's not like I'm advertising this lady. It's just that what I seen in that vision, the universe told me to share the ending of it with you. It was much more to the vision. And I shared about meeting her. I shared about saying no, I didn't take the vaccine, and something going to happen in Houston, Texas. It was so much more to it. It was so much more to it. And oh yeah, I forgot to. I'm just gonna say this. It did say it was like I had my phone. This was before I met Queen Afua. I had my phone, and the phone got cracked up. And it was like it was no communication of me. So that's why I said in the video that the lady, she seemed creepy. She was like, you don't have to take the vaccine, because I felt like I was trapped. You know what I'm saying? There's no way I couldn't get in contact with nobody. So that was before I met Queen Afua. But with the will of the universe, maybe I'll tell y'all the rest of that whole vision, because it was like, wow. But just seeing that gave confirmation that she, like, whatever she's saying about this coronavirus and many other things for wellness and healing ourselves, we need to listen. We need to listen, because a lot of our holistic practitioners, especially African Black holistic practitioner, are moved on to the other stage. So later on Africa, Dr. Sabi, all they moved on to the Queen Afua is still here with us. So let's listen to what this sister got to say to heal us. All right, y'all, family. Don't forget, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Queen Afua will be speaking on Facebook. All right, salam, salam.